Okay guys, today I will discuss about our tiles work. In our site we have already started our tiles work. At first I will tell you how many tiles tiles. That means classification of tiles. Actually we can say all tiles are ceramic tiles. This side we can divide our all tiles in two categories. One is ceramic tiles, another one is vitrified tiles. Okay, ceramic tiles, this is porous and water absorption capacity is high. And ceramic tiles, this one also water absorption capacity high. And ceramic tiles also we have two types. One is floor tiles, another one is wall tiles. In our ceramic wall tiles, water absorption capacity is greater than 10%, and ceramic floor tiles water absorption capacity is 3-6%. And another one, vitrified tiles. This is called also porcelain and non-porous tiles, and water capacity is less than 0.5%. Okay. And our vitrified tiles we can also divide it two types. One is glazed, another one is unglazed. Okay. And glazed is polished, another one is non-polished, and another one unglazed vitrified and two types. This is double charge, and another one is soluble salt. Okay, now I will show you about how can we setting our tiles. Here already we can come here. We can come here. At first we will make this bed. That means in our floor we will make 20 to 25 mm thick cement and mortar here. Cement and mortar here we can and at first we will make this bed, and this is our cement and mortar, and we will maintain it 1:3. Then after making this bed, then we will take our here one reference line. This is our reference key. Here we can see this is our reference key. And after doing this, then this is our pure cement mortar. We can say here this mortar is pure cement mortar. After doing this cement sand mortaring, we will wait 24 hours. After drying this one or compacted this one, then we will start our tiles work. This CC we have done, we can say this CC we have done in previous day. That means near about previous of 24 hours previous we have do this CC. After drying this one or hardening this one, then we will start our tiles work. For starting tiles work, at first we will get cement mortar. Here this is pure cement mortar. Here we have no sand. Okay, after making this one, then here we will make our bed. Here we will make our bed with cement and mortar. Our tiles thickness near about 8 mm. Also our cement and mortar thickness is 8 mm. That means at first time 20 to 25 mm thick cement and mortar. Then 8 mm pure cement mortar. Then we will do our tiles. This is also near about that. At first we will make this surface here. We can see at first we will make this surface cement mortar. Then we will lay down here in our tiles. Okay, we will lay down here. Here we can see already we are laid down here. Okay. Okay guys, already we are laid down our tiles here. We can see already we are doing our job here. At previous time already said this is our string line. We can say this is our string. That means this is our reference line. And previous time already said we are using here. We can see our people using here spacer. This is one type of spacer. Okay, this is spacer. They are used here for good alignment and same spacing. We are doing this one. This is called spacer. By this spacer we will get same alignment. Here we can, this is same alignment and same gap in our tiles. After getting this gap, then we will fill this gap by gum grout, and this one also looking good. Actually why we will do in our tiles work, beside we have another option, we can do plastering. But in our tiles, this is also in tiles, this is odor base, this is heat and waterproof also, and another one, this is tiles is also fireproofing also. And this is main functionality, or this is aesthetically or architecturally looking good. For this reason we use tiles, because this is
odorless also. This is another one advantage. And here and previous video already I have described, we have many types tiles. One is ceramic tiles, this is non porcelain, and another one is vitrified tiles, and this is porcelain. And ceramic tiles are high water absorption capacity, and vitrified tiles are low absorption water capacity. And by this by doing this one, and we can see here already we have a spacer. By this spacer we will good alignment, good joint, and four corner. Here we can see this is very sensitive portion of tiles work. This is fourth corner combination. This is actually we should maintain good attention here, because by this spacer we will maintain four corner looking good. Beside this one will be up down level no same, and this one maybe will be problem will be arised in future time. For this reason we will maintain spacer. And here we no use here dry mortar. We are using here at first we are using here our weighted cement mortar. After drying this one, after 24 hours, then we will do our pure cement mortar. Then we will lay down our tiles work. In naturally in our Bangladesh we have another one practice. At first we will make our dry mortar 1:3 or 1:4 ratio. Then we will spread all dry mortar. Then we will give cement grout in top portion of mortar. Then we will lay down our tiles. This one also good, nothing bad, and this is also good practice. But this one also too much good for our job. This is by spacer we can good job. Okay, we have already discussed many things here. All our people are doing this work here already. In here also we can see all floors are, we have already settled our tiles. We can see this is this is vitrified tiles, and this is looking good, and we have good strength for our tiles. We know vitrified tiles is vitrified tiles have too much load bearing capacity than ceramic tiles. Okay, I think everyone will be enjoyed this one. Okay, thank you guys.